Come along with me as I tour a Riverview room at Four Seasons Nashville. When you first enter the room, you'll see a coffee and tea station and lots of storage, a king-size bed with a duvet and overstuffed pillows, floor-to-ceiling windows, a small sectional, a table with seating for two, a stunning view even in the rain of Nashville's riverfront and Cumberland River, as well as Four Seasons entertaining spaces below. The bathroom has marble vanity tops with double sinks, a shower and private water closet, as well as soft robes. I was able to go back a few weeks later and grab those Riverview room views when it wasn't raining. Enjoy.